Hi guys, it's Jenny here from Vitreus Art. Just wanted to talk about what we're doing with our half-day fusing workshops. We're bringing them all together under the umbrella name of Fun with Fusing, Choose on the Day. So we're going to be offering you the same type of workshops that we've been doing in the past, but you get the option to choose. So on the workshop you can choose either to do one round or 1 square centimetre bowl, an S-bend piece, either 4 small tea lights, 2 luxury tea lights, or 2 gorgeous heart-shaped pieces. On the day you'll get to make your choice of pieces, and we're going to teach you how to do that using glass line pens, and we're no glass cutting on this workshop, so that's a bit of pressure off. But I will teach you how to use the mosaic nippers so we can shape pieces as we wish. We'll be using, as I say, the glass line pens so we can do some drawing. So I don't know if you can see on this piece, we've got some line drawing going on here. The bumblebees, they were drawn in and then colour added to them. We've used stringers, bendy stringers and straight stringers. We've used millefury, and we've even got tiny little bumblebees on this one. And we've also got some ladybirds. I don't know if you can see this lovely little ladybird here, but we've got all those lovely things for you to use. And as I say, you can mix and match. So if you choose to do the S-bend, but you finish with a little bit of time left over, you might then choose to do a little tea light for a small extra cost. But we can work all that out on the day. So we hope to see you there. Bye.